In this video, you are going to learn how to edit faster and work more efficiently in Premiere Pro. Coming up. Hi everyone, I'm Harshvardhan. Welcome to harshvardhanart.com. This is the episode number 5 of Quick Premiere Pro Tips and Tricks, where I give you some tips which would help you save a lot more time and accomplish a lot while editing in Premiere Pro. And before we go any further, please hit the like button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorials. And do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All the social media links are in the description as well as on your screen right now. So without further ado, let's get started. So the tip which I'm going to give you in this video, which would save you a lot more time, is that whenever you are working on any project, it's inevitable that you have to use certain images or screenshot or the logos on your screen, and then you create the animation for that so that it looks good. But each time you have to create this animation, and you know that animation takes lots of time. And the quick tip here is that you create an animation preset out of that animation. So whenever you create an animation for any image or screenshot or for any b-roll footage, create an animation, save that preset and use that preset in the future videos, and that would take you a lot more time because you don't have to create the animation from start to scratch. So let me show you how you can do this. So you can see I have created this animation in Premiere Pro using the keyframes. If you want to learn how to create this in and out animation, the link of the previous episode is in the description section below. So now we are going to save this as a preset so that we don't have to go through the hassles of creating all these again and again. Alright, so we'll go to the effects control, and this is the transform effect. So we'll click on this arrow, that would close this one, and we'll click on the basic 3D, that would also close it. So we'll select both of these effects by pressing Ctrl and clicking on the first and then the second one, and then we'll right click and select it as a save preset, and we'll just rename it as in and out 3D animation. Okay, something like this, and you can write anything if you want, and we'll press this OK. And if you will go back to the effects panel and close this search result, within the preset you will see this preset which we have just created, in and out 3D animation, right over here. So now we can easily apply this to any layer. So suppose this is the text layer, and as you can see over here, this is a simple text. Let me just remove its animation. Alright, so you can see this is the simple text. So now we'll just click and drop this effect right over on this text layer. So if you just press this play, you can see it just adds that cool animation to this. Alright, so as you can see, this animation is not that good, but you can refine it later on, okay, if you want. So you can see simply it just adds this animation. So let's apply this on a video. So this is the video, it just comes in and it just goes out. Okay, so let's add this effect. So we'll click and drop this effect right over here. So if we just press this play, you can see it comes in and makes this animation. That would save you a lot more time. So this is how you can work faster and with more efficiency in Premiere Pro. So this is the tip for this episode. So see you in the next episode, where I will give you more tips and tricks to work and edit faster in Premiere Pro. So thank you so much. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the like button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorials. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.